Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you guys how you can earn Bitcoin online using an app called CryptoTab. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or just working on your computer, you can mine Bitcoin in the background and generate a little passive income. So stick around until the end, because I am going to share some tips to boost your mining speed and earn more money. But before we start, if you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss out any future updates. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let me explain what CryptoTab is. It's basically a web browser just like Chrome, but with one big difference. While you use it, it automatically mines Bitcoin in the background. That means instead of wasting your computer's resources, you're putting them to work and getting rewarded in crypto. Plus, the browser itself is fast and secure, and you can even sync it with your Google account, so you don't lose your bookmarks or passwords. Now let me show you how to start earning Bitcoin with CryptoTab. First, go to the official website by clicking on the link in the description, or you can download it directly using my link, which will give you a bonus when you sign up. Once you're on the website, click on the download button. Choose your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, and follow the instructions. After the download is complete, install the browser just like any other program. During the installation, choose whether you want to make CryptoTab your default browser, and once it's installed, simply open it. Next, you need to log in. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, or you can create a new account on CryptoTab. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, go to the settings to turn on mining. Click on the mining tab and toggle on the mining switch. You can adjust the mining speed according to your preference. The higher the speed, the more Bitcoin you'll earn. However, keep in mind that increasing the speed may consume more electricity, so find the right balance between earning potential and energy consumption. In addition to the mining speed, you can also use boosters to increase your mining speed. CryptoTab offers cloud boosts and mining networks that can significantly improve your mining speed and overall earnings. Check them out to see if they can benefit you. And that's pretty much it. You're now mining Bitcoin every time you open CryptoTab. But there are two more things you should know about. First, you can also install CryptoTab on your phone. Both Android and iOS devices are supported. Simply search for CryptoTab in the App Store and download the app. The process is similar to the desktop version. Now let me show you how to withdraw your earnings. Once you've mined enough Bitcoin, you can withdraw it directly to your crypto wallet. To do this, click on your profile picture, then select Withdraw. Enter your Bitcoin address, choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, and click on Withdraw. Confirm the details, and your funds will be sent to your wallet. The withdrawal process is straightforward and hassle-free. So that's it. You can see that CryptoTab is a great way to earn Bitcoin just by using your computer or phone. You don't have to do anything special or spend any money. You can simply browse the web as usual and earn Bitcoin at the same time. I understand that some people might be skeptical about CryptoTab, but it's a legit and trustworthy way to earn Bitcoin. Thousands of people are already using it to build their crypto portfolio and generate passive income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. If you love similar content like this, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and good luck with your Bitcoin mining.